everyone!
Hello!
It's Mr. and Mrs. Barry here.
Hi!
Welcome to My Virgin Kitchen. We hope you are well. That's ended up being my catchphrase for quite a while recently.
Hey guys!
I used to say, hey guys! That was like 4 years ago. Hey guys! Today, this is going to be another MVK tries recipe. We've already done the Heston Blumenthal ice cream, the Gordon Ramsay beef Wellington, and the kids, one of the last videos in the old house. Tell him, Mrs. B. Tell him.
Was Frog Scottle?
Alton Brown. When I say that to you, Mrs. B, what is the first thing you think of?
Who's that?
Really?
Yeah.
Well, I would have said the same a few years ago, but due to the power of the internet, this cool thing that I found, Alton Brown is a really popular cook / chef over in America. Quite a little bit scientific as well, and I really like his stuff. In fact, I would say he's one of my favourite people to watch or even just learn from.
Such a favourite that I didn't even know who he is.
But we don't often sit down at the table and go, oh, yes, should we talk about our favourite TV people? So the MVK Tries playlist is all about taking on these recipes, and obviously the full credit goes to them. Alton Brown does a grilled cheese, an actual grilled cheese that is grilled. I really wanted to do that, but the weather is horrendous out there. But he also does pancakes.
I love pancakes.
Yeah?
Crepes or pancakes?
No, like American style pancakes.
Oh, okay.
The cool thing about it, and the reason I love this recipe, right? Am I really excited today? Sorry. I was just really like, it's just so simple, right? You know, you go in a supermarket and you buy the ready-made pancake mix.
No, we never do that.
No, but just in general, people.
Yeah.
You, hopefully you watching, we don't do that.
You don't.
No, we don't. He's got this thing of making your own homemade pancake mix.
Okay.
You can store it in an airtight container, so whenever you want to make your pancakes, you just take some out and then kind of like the stuff in the shops, really. Yeah.
But it tastes a lot nicer and much better for you.
Yeah. So let's do it.
Sorry, I'm wobbling off my stool.
It all happens in this vessel, which I bought today. Even though we've got about 10 of these just sat around the house somewhere, right?
Yeah, they're in a box somewhere.
In a box.
Or
What?
do you know what you could have used?
What? Always be grateful.
Yeah, we got it as a housewarming present.
Housewarming? What, years ago?
No.
Oh, this one?
This weekend.
Oh, did we get this from someone, did we?
Yeah.
All right,
Your
well,
friends.
you just need a jar that you can seal. Yeah. Seal. Kiss from a rose?
I guess it's sealed. This is. Oh, no.
Oh no, don't give it a rinse because that's going to be wet inside now, isn't it? It's going to need to be proper dry, otherwise the batter will stick to the... All right, we'll use this one. First thing that's going in is flour. God, you look happy about it.
Sorry.
God's sake.
Go on, why do I put flour in it?
Oh, why flour? Why not sugar? Just all sugar, big jar of sugar. So this is plain flour, aka all-purpose flour.
I always wonder, why do they call plain flour all-purpose flour? Because it's not all-purpose, because it's not self-raising flour.
You should launch a YouTube channel called The Thoughts of Becky. That'd be amazing. Just talk to the camera like that and people would answer your questions for you.
Make me sound really...
It wouldn't make you sound thick.
I never said thick. You put that word in my mouth then.
Tablespoon of sugar next. Oh yeah. Half a tablespoon of salt. All right.
Half?
Yeah, that'll do.
It might be a bit salty. That's a lot of salt.
So now we need the equivalent of 1 teaspoon of bicarbonate of soda. I always call it the wrong thing. So 1 teaspoon of that and 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder. So one of these sachets is a teaspoon. We're just being lazy. You can't bother to wear it out. That is the mix done.
Right.
Congratulations. So now, close it up.
So that's the mix that you always leave in the jar?
Yeah, that's it. Yeah, it's nothing wet in there, is there?
No. I thought you meant we were actually making the whole pancake mixture and leaving it in a jar.
No.
Oh.
We could do that. You can make the... Sorry about this, guys.
Sorry.
Shake this up like a mad woman. There we go. Look at that. Like a nightclub. Big fish, little fish, cardboard box. Yeah. You're taking that way too... You look like you're playing an old school video game with a controller then. You know? Your face then.
Don't make that.
You're like your veins in your neck came out. Oh my... Ooh, no, don't do that.
So that, we just keep that in the cupboard somewhere.
Yeah, that is our pancake mix all done.
That might have to go back in a box though, because we don't actually have any spare cupboards to put that in.
Airtight container, that'll last for weeks. We're just cleaning out 2 bowls because rather than bunging it all with the mix and the wet stuff into one, we do something crazy with eggs. We're going to separate them and they get whisked separately. I have no idea why, but hopefully it'll make it taste good. The egg separator. There's a time and a place to use this because it's off the scale.
How do you know that's a place?
Place is a fish.
I
Place.
know, but it might not be a place.
What are you on
It
about?
might be a goldfish.
Oh, I think it is a goldfish, mate. We should totally have a cooking show on TV where it's just like domestics. Just like uncut. Right, so we're going to put 2 eggs in a bowl. Bring this other bowl in. Squeeze in with my goldfish, right, Mrs. B?
Yeah.
Or is it a place? Ooh.
Or salmon.
It's not salmon. Well, it could be, I don't know.
Tuna.
Salmonella, get it? Oh dear. Poo out the yolk. Up! Oh no!
Told you should have done this.
I should have done them separately. It's okay. Actually, Alton Brown calls kitchen gadgets unitaskers. I don't think he's a massive fan of them, so I'm going to do the old school, just passing it between the shell.
There you go.
Shall we do that instead? Right, that wasn't so hard, was it? We're going to make an omelette out of that. Mrs. Barry's just melting up some butter.
Yeah.
You butter bee. How's your melted butter, alright?
So good.
So whisk together the egg whites and the buttermilk in a bowl. So this is some buttermilk, okay? Yeah, in that goes. And these egg yolks get mixed with Mrs. Barry's butter she melted up. Yeah, straight in there. Oh yeah, I bet that's really naughty.
Weapon of choice?
I'll take the whisk.
It's a bit whisky.
Hey! Let's take a whisk about this and not do it till they're fluffy. It doesn't say to do that.
Let's do a whisk assessment.
A whisk is... Yes! Hang on a sec, I'm really thirsty. Let me get out my whisk flask. This might look like a big fried egg in a bowl now. Hey, look at that!
It does. You could have got it a bit more central. It's getting thicker. Oh.
I think that's enough, Mrs. P.
No, it's not. Let's keep going.
Right, shall we come back in an hour, yeah?
Yeah. Bye.
Right, bye. Come on, Boston, let's go for a walk, yeah? Right, now we're going to do some role play. Mrs. Barry, I really want some Alton Brown pancake mix. Should we have some?
Okay. Yeah, sure. I've got this mix we made 5 days ago.
So what you do, if you're in that scenario, you do the wet bit that we've just done, and then you take out 2 cups, 2 scoops of the mix. It's not going to fit
in the jar.
Well, then I'd imagine we're just going to have to take it out in little bits until we fill up the cup thing from the... Yes, there you go.
I might need some help though.
All right.
Because that is going to shut down on me. I need you to hold something, please.
Right. Don't worry, I'm just holding a camera up with my other arm. This is good for my guns. Oh my gosh.
Oh, you moved.
Well, it's getting a bit heavy.
Put it down.
This is why we need Boston to be a cameraman. Are we done? Don't take your time because it's going to get really shaky. All right, is that a cup?
Don't blow it.
I'm not. I'm tapping it on my chin because I've got a spare arm
it's
gone.
going everywhere.
Oh, it's going on my...
Move it to me.
I'm just trying to level it off. I haven't got a spare arm, have I? Right,
that's fine.
1 cup, yeah?
Yep.
Straight in there.
I think we're only going
And
to
just, to save time, we're going to put another cup in off camera.
I should have just done it like this.
Yeah, you should have done it like that. That's a much more sensible approach to putting that in there. All right.
1 cup left?
Yeah, there isn't much left, yeah, but we did halve that recipe. So you're supposed to have, a lot more left than that. So we're just going to whisk it. We're going to get it lump-free and smooth and...
You sure, lump-free?
Yeah, it's going to be thick. It's going to take a little bit of time. But just like our marriage, we'll work through it. We're tag teaming this. We're like the Legion of Doom. Do you know who they were?
No.
Great. Tell you what.
You've done a good job there. Well done.
Thanks. That is really bland. So I would normally put some vanilla extract in that. Well, I guess we're going to flavour it, right?
That's one smooth pancake mixture.
That is smooth. Well, yeah. Right. I teased this on a previous video that I have not put on the worldwide internet just yet, but when we open the hood of the oven, it sounds like a creaky door from the Addams Family.
Oh, is that what you're on about?
Du-du-du-du. Couldn't hear it then, but Amy just went, ah, hey, get it. It's just an oven. But I'm really excited about this because we've never used one of these hot plate things, and we are getting rid of this oven.
Is that what we're going to use?
We're going to use this thing. We're going to use this griddle for pancakes and stuff, I'm sure. And we've got the health and safety inspectors by our feet. We grease up the griddle. And then we can, apparently it'll melt and all that, like it should do, but we want to wipe quite a lot of that excess off. But you can buy things like that can sit on like a normal hob like that, can't you?
Right, think that'll be right?
Yeah, but then we need to wipe this off because there's so much of it, it's going to be like an oil slick. You're being Picasso moment, are you? MVK. Okay. Yeah, I can see a flame underneath it. So the butter's going to melt.
Oh my gosh, look, it is.
Oh wow, look. Yeah, it's
Maybe
perishing.
It's a bit high.
Well, that's pretty big. I don't know, I quite want them, like, you know, rather than like little Scotch pancake size. So we're looking for these bubbles around the outer edge, but I think because we've done quite a big mass of pancake, we're going to make sure there's quite a bit of them.
Oh yeah, look, it's golden.
Golden? Alright, go for it.
Right, ready?
Yeah, go.
Ah,
Yes! No, that'll do, that's awesome.
sorry.
No, you're working in the pancake house now, mate, you're doing it. Look at that. Right, next one will be a bit smaller, I think,
Yeah.
but that's going to work.
Look at that colour. I was worried. Yeah, I should have been a bit more gentler. Sorry. It exploded as I put it down. Whoops.
I think you need to stop apologising and know that you've just made a delicious pancake. Oh, yeah! That colour is amazing.
Should I turn it over?
Yeah, yeah. Oh. So probably best served almost immediately, these things, but we're going to make a few more.
Ready?
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
There we go. It's sizzling now.
Yeah, that's kind of what we wanted, wasn't it? Oh, house of pancakes.
Look at that. That cooked well.
That's
Greg.
awesome. Awesome. So amongst all the carnage, folks, we're going to leave this to cool down, and there's some batter left. We're going to use that for the kids later so they can have some pancakes. But we get to be... Oh, hello. We get to be irresponsible parents now.
What, and eat the pancakes?
And eat pancakes while our kids are at school, like, doing important stuff. So we're just going to load some creme fraiche on here. I'm actually going to pile it on, why not? Little blobs of it. Like a nice little nest for our fruit. Stick some strawberries in. I reckon one more at the front there. They're really fat pancakes as well, aren't they?
They're amazing pancakes.
Nice. Let's just marvel at that. Oh yeah. But then this is some maple syrup from a high. Just let it drizzle all over those pancakes. Yeah. What do you think?
I think we need to eat that
Now?
now.
Oh my gosh.
That is amazing.
I'm going to cry.
Oh my gosh. Incredible.
It's a winner, folks. So, as I leave Mrs. Barry in the background nibbling on the pancakes and hopefully leaving me some, full credit for this recipe goes to Alton Brown. If you've never heard of him, which you probably have heard of him, do check him out. Amazing recipe. I do want to try the grilled cheese. That's it from us, though. Remember to subscribe for regular videos. Press that bell button so you're notified of new uploads. Check out My Virgin Kitchen on all social media. We did some Instagram stories of this, so if you want to see some behind the scenes bits, and let me know down below what you want to see next so we can inspire you guys to get in the kitchen. All right?
You didn't want any of this, did you? What the hell are we doing?
This is a thumbnail. We're making a thumbnail so that it looks like we're looking at Alton Brown. That's how the thumbnail's going to be. All right? Serious now. Ow! Blooming stool.